um, some Om chanting. Okay,
Okay.
it can be the humming sound. Okay.
It's honey, Brahmya, Brahma.
But yeah, but we are not going to close the eye the ear.
Okay, all right.
In the what you gonna do? See, so you will bring the palms close to the chest. Okay.
Yeah.
And then from here, you will chant same and see how the hands will go up. So. Yeah, when you bring the palms together, you need to stop, okay?
Okay.
Until your palms come in between the chest, you need to keep continuing with the Om sound, okay?
Until the hands come here, then you stop, okay?
Shoulder can be up like this, and then you are opening all the way out, and then bringing the palms in close to the chest.
Okay, let me try.
Keep the eyes closed. Keep the mouth closed.
Okay.
Chant the Om sound inside.
Oh, so no sound, just in your head,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah. And just feel the vibration. No, you need to chant loudly.
I'll say it loud.
Mouth will be closed.
Okay.
Arms will go very slow. Okay.
Okay.
Better.
Sorry?
Good. Continue.
Okay. I'm trying not to breathe through my mouth, but I need to breathe through my mouth for the sound. Oh,
Just last time, deep and long.
Om.
Come back. Relax, keep the eyes closed.